To install the forward storage box kit on your RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin by placing the storage box in the forwardmost section of the cargo box. Then move the front of the storage box to align the lock and ride holes in the storage box with those in the cargo box. Next, install 2 lock and ride assemblies in the 2 aligned mounting holes. Lock and ride assemblies may need adjustment. Tighten or loosen bottom nut depending on the fitment. Finally, make sure the lock and ride assemblies are fully seated before closing the top lever and securing the storage box. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.